everybody, and welcome back to thecrochetcrowd.com, playing with my Karen Crafties today.
Repeat pattern, so row number 4, so just chain up 2, doesn't count as anything.
Binky Boo, why do you have to sit on my crochet projects?
Good morning to you, and you, and you, and you.
Yeah, baby, shake it up.
But you put me on an amazing journey of my adult years because I have no kids.